always I see bikes on the walk. It's crazy. Interesting. That's what it's gonna be. A whole lot of permits. Yeah. A whole lot of development. It's going up. You see? It's gonna look different. Renovation. Wow. They're probably gonna do this too next. Well, it's been a whole lot of renovation. And knock down and rebuild. That was 2 houses over there too. That's where the water coming from. That's alright. Look. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Alright. It's real beautiful around here. See? No double parking, bro. Oh, it's going down. If you let they catch you double parking around here, son, slow down so you can focus. Focus! Yeah, it's beautiful. Nice and shady. Lots of shade. It's a brand new fence. Awesome. Ain't that just looking cool? clean. This house have a clean look, right? That's like a newly renovated house right there. Yep. You can tell it's just finished. Even the garage still ain't done yet. You see that? Uh-huh. I think if they do all the blocks like this, it'd be cool. See? Well, that's a new house about to be on the market if it's not sell already. Look at them birds. See the birds? Wave the flag. Of course. I'm gonna have to go on the other side. It's too sunny on this side right here. Halloween. Look, it's so hot. Flowers is coiled up. Look. It's so hot the flowers get coiled up. They need some water. It's real hot. Look. That's real hot, bro. Look at this. All the flowers burned down, bro. That is crazy, look. Watch. Even these creepers, right? You can see over there. The heat is hot, bro. Whoa. That glare is serious. This black is real pretty, I ain't gonna lie. Look at all the flowers. Wow. These some huge houses. Huge. And you got the brownstone on this side. Coiled up flowers again. It's real cool. I think that's the cool thing about if you have a brownstone, right? Then you have these type of trees. You know what I mean? The only thing you're gonna have to clean up a lot, but that's nothing. Once the tree do what it's supposed to do, right? Which is give you a lot of cool shade. Built tough. Let this guy drive away first, bro. We ain't trying to have no copyright strike for people's music. It's always somebody living their life. You know what I'm saying? See the airplane? Focus! If y'all rocking with the MVision, man, make sure y'all subscribe. Turn that notification on, please, for the next one. You be getting it, you know. And also share, like. It's very important, necessary for the channel, you know. Yeah. Here we go. These flowers, they're under the sun well. Look, you could tell. It's not like this all like the weather. Nice. Check this out. A nice tree for the Christmas time. The funny thing, this block be so decorated for the Christmas time season. Be amazing. G-Wagon in the shade. By terrible. Cool chairs. Those are some cool chairs, I ain't gonna lie.